Hey everybody, how's it going? Christian from Treasure Town here, and today we're going to be talking about multi-struck error coins. Now this isn't like a double die, very different type of error, but it's a quick video. I'll go to a presentation, show you what the coins look like, and talk about how they're made and the values for different types of coins with this error. So let's get to the presentation. And here we've got these multi-struck coins, and essentially, a lot of people think that this is like a double die coin. That's really not what we're looking at. A double die coin is formed when, during the process of making the dies, which are used to actually strike the coins, that, that's where the double dies are made. The multi-struck coins is literally when the coins are struck multiple times, and it looks like there's, double, triple, quadruple, full obverses and reverses being struck, but that's because when the coins are made, they're ejected after they're struck by a device that ejects the coin from the, from the dies. But what happens is that doesn't happen. So instead of moving on to the next coin, the dies are going to continue to strike the same coin over and over again, and that's how you get these looking coins. Now the prices kind of vary widely. It very much depends on what the actual multi-striking looks like. So for example, in the middle we've got a 1994 Lincoln cent, and it was struck multiple times. You can see that because there's some indents where the Lincoln kind of would have been struck again, but that's not on the dies. That's just because the mechanical process of making the coins with the machine got struck twice. And this is a reasonably common, there's many Lincoln cents out there, and it's not a massive, massive error. Pretty notable, cool, but it was $75. Whereas when you look to the right, it's much more pronounced. It's two strikings that are, or maybe more, but two big strikings that are totally separate from each other, super, high contrast, that sort of thing, and a larger coin, more rare. There's less Kennedy half dollars being made. That one fetched $2,500. 1985 Washington quarter, sure, many of them were made, but again, this is just an unbelievable looking error. That one fetched $800. So the rarer the coin, the more expensive it's going to be, and it gets exponential. So, this 1985 quarter, a lot less of those have errors than, any Lincoln Memorial, most likely, and those are going to just be much more expensive than these pennies where there's tons and tons of them made. But hope that kind of gives you an estimation on what these values are looking like, kind of understand what multi-striking is, especially differentiating it for newer people from double dies. Just kind of a really cool process to know about. Thanks for watching the video. I'd encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and get in touch with me on my website, treasuretown.yt.com, Facebook, TreasureTown, Instagram @TreasureTownYT, or Twitter @TreasureTown_YT, and I'll look forward to seeing you on some of my future vids.